Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. This is Faila Akhtar in front of you. Today I want to talk about my first month journey with Therapy Coaching Center. Yes, recently I finished my first month. And my first month experience was amazing. When I was 10 years that time, I cannot speak English properly. But now I'm able to speak in English in front of everyone, in front of camera, and in front of many people. Now I'm able to speak in English because in first month I learned something new. I learned 300 vocabulary. I learned grammatical side, tense, and everything. When I was come here, that time I cannot properly speak in English. I cannot make sentence, but now I can fluently and loudly speak in English in front of camera also. And I make 56 video also, and I got one medal, one book in first month. That was my hard working. That's why I can speak English properly. Yeah, thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much.